Hi everybody. Well, I created another helicopter. Once again, I found this one at Goodwill, at the Goodwill outlet, so it was in the bins. I got it for about probably $2.50, $3, something like that. It's by weight, $1.60 a pound. So this thing weighs a little over a pound, so probably like $2-3. And it was missing a lot of parts. And so I was able to go through my fodder, which is what I call it. It's basically just parts, and find everything I needed. So I found the blades, I had those. I had the missile launchers, those are from G.I. Joe Cobra gunship. I had the tail fins, those are from World Peacekeeper's Dauphine helicopter. That little tail strike guard is from a Star Wars toy. And it folds, so that's cool. And fits some guys, but not with the helmets. This mini gun type of thing is a 1/6 scale gun for 1/6 scale action figures. These decals I bought special for this off eBay. They're 1/32 scale. And the intakes are from an X-Wing, Star Wars X-Wing. Yeah. And so I'm calling this thing the Thunder King because I think that's a pretty cool name. I was thinking about this recently. Like, I've been doing this a while, and it's kind of an obsession. Like, it's kind of like I'm a little addicted to it, I think. Which I don't think it's I think it's a fairly healthy habit. But I remember one time I was driving, and I was just jonesing to get a new helicopter to modify. That's funny. But if this is my worst habit, then that's fine. The paint job is off of a real helicopter. I think it's a European attack helicopter. I originally painted it that mint green, and it just wasn't quite right. So then I took some Testors paints and added in the brown and the black. Although it accidentally covered up a little of the black decals. And as you can see, the bowl on the front is a little bit hard to see, but he's pretty visible. And this opens. The blades actually spin pretty good. Maybe not super good. So anyway, I have a quote for you guys today about justice. I hope that you will always speak the truth boldly, saying what needs to be said, no matter whom you're addressing. When it comes to championing a just cause, you must never be cowardly, never fawn, never try to curry favor. And that, of course, is Daisaku Ikeda. I think that's a good quote. Just remember, when you're championing for people's rights and equality, that there's no need to be afraid, no matter whom you're addressing, because you are just. All right, thanks for watching.